So, ayun na nga ang chika. For this video, samahan niyo ulit ako na itry ang isa sa mga budget-friendly na product ng Dali Grocery Store. So, this time, ang itatry natin ay ang Culina Tomato Ketchup. So, this is 320 grams worth 27.50. Kumpara dun sa sikat na brand of the same size, it's worth 38 pesos. So, more than 10 pesos ang savings agad. By the way, I'm making a pork tonkatsu sauce. So, before, ginagamit ko yung sikat na brand. And now, try natin yung Culina Tomato Ketchup. So, naglagay ako ng toyo, and then yung tomato ketchup, and some pepper. So, tinikman ko rin yung tomato ketchup on its own. And what I can say about sa lasa niya is that napakasulit niya. Sa halaga ng matitipid mo, it is really worth the try. So, do I recommend it for other people to try? Definitely yes. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. See you on my next vlog. Kain po!